Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. It's gonna be a pretty simple build. What I want to do is put some casters on the bottom of my trash can that I have in my shop. And I want to have a place to keep my dustpan and my push broom. Stick around and I'll show you how I make Oscar the Grouch mobile home. Well, I have stuff in my trash can, so I can't necessarily just turn it upside down. But what I want to do is take a rough estimated measurement of the bottom here. Kind of centered. We're at 19. It's not going to be pretty either, because I'm using stuff that's been outside for like 3 years or something. My scrap lumber pile. That should do it. So I cut them all the same length, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to stagger, I guess you'll call, the seams. So one will butt up against that, and then the other will butt up the inside of that one, and the other one will butt up on the inside of that one, and then it'll be on the outside of that one. Like that. Now let's pre-drill and screw them together. Three inches. So a little tip, don't go in all the way, because once you go in all the way, then this board here would want to turn. So you just put it in there so it doesn't move. Get your other screw started. Send that one home, come back. Just like that. Now we place these pieces on the inside, on the bottom. That's going to be a place the trash can is going to sit on, and the casters on the bottom. Now that we just have a square with a little base on it, time to put on the casters. I'm kind of embarrassed, but I had this lumber rack outside and I used these casters, and man, they got rusted, but they're still in working condition. I took a wire brush to them, sprayed a little WD-40 in it. I'm just going to use them still. No sense on throwing them out when they still work. And you can see now why this base works just perfect here. Spacing out these casters. I'm going to use pocket hole screws because they got a nice flat bottom there and a kind of a bigger head. They'll go nicely. got it to fit. All right, so now what I'm thinking is we'll attach a 2x4 with the T-bar on it with some holes so the broom handle can go on. We'll see how high we need to be. I'm gonna go with ever how tall this piece is. Did you even see that? Probably not. Let's put a hole in it. All right, I know. It's not pretty. It's not a hard build. It's pretty easy and anyone can do it. But I just thought it would be kind of nice to record this process and show you guys and put up some more content on my YouTube page. I always seem to lose my dustpan, and I kind of seem to lose my little hand brush too. Sometimes I even lose the push broom. The trash can, it's always out in the middle of the floor. Now that it's on wheels, I can move it back and forth. So it's something that needed to be done in my shop, and I'm thankful that I did it. And it's gonna, I think, help improve me keeping my shop a little cleaner. We'll see. Anyways, if you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. That'd be awesome. Which you probably didn't. You can give a thumbs down, I guess. I don't care. But you guys took the time and watch my videos, and I really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. If you want to see more content, it's not all just shop builds. I have some pretty good projects in the works that I've been working on for the last few months. Hopefully they'll get done here soon. So thank you for watching. My name is Gary. I am the Bearded Woodworker. See you guys later.